This is where I'm having breakfast. So, local park. That's it. Scene of a sawmill. Get these tables out of steel wheels. So the feet are wheels cut in half. The iron rim wheels. This big old log structure here. Genuine log structure. Even got a refrigerator in there. This is a sawmill steam engine. Reynolds Corliss steam engine built in 1912 by Alice Chalmers. There's a steam engine used in the lumber production here at Trout Creek Sawmills. It burned down. Wow, look at that piston. Sort of like a railroad locomotive. Turns this massive wheel here, which I assume had a belt around it. Nice little park to have breakfast. I'm still in Michigan. Hey, this is my last day in Michigan. Soon be in Wisconsin. This is Wakefield, Michigan. What are these big buildings? This must be the high school. I'm looking for pasties, and I think I've found the place right here. Alright, here I am, pasty number 2 in Wakefield, Michigan. Redoing the municipal building parking lot here in Wakefield. Have you ever seen pink contractors equipment? Wow, look at this ski guy. Who is this character here? Doesn't look like Ronald McDonald to me, but they have the golden arches built into the roof. Well, just like that, I'm in Wisconsin. Well, we'll see how good Wisconsin is about marking their roads. This view, you can see Lake Superior, I believe. Here. It's another Indian casino. What is that place? This is Ashland, Wisconsin. On Lake Superior. Little city park. It's nice. Got a beach. Look how calm the water is inside this bay here. Swimming beach. Singing birds. Lapping water. This is Washburn, Wisconsin. I'm headed north on 13. There's some more of these buildings with that ochre colored brownstone, sandstone. Look at that, it's the Cultural Center and Museum. Considered to be the North Country of Wisconsin. And it's kind of hilly. It's a beautiful old building. It was made from stone that was quarried on the islands. It's a certain type of sandstone. It was originally the courthouse. This is Bayfield, Wisconsin. Alright, I'm going to do the tour tomorrow in the morning. If the boat is running. The boat broke down. This is Bayfield, which is a cool little town. And a hot place too. of warm today. Welcome races. Wonder what that means. What kind of races? Boat races? Bicycle races? Oh man, they got my shade there. I was headed for that shady bench. They got ice cream and a shady bench. Dinghy race today. Yeah, that sort of reminds me of Edgartown. Creamery, beer, wine, spirits. Le Chateau. Wow, look at this beautiful old Victorian house. And look at this lovely old church. I guess you would consider this downtown. Bayfield. Pretty much a tourist town. Any Avenue. I like that name. This is Bayfield's Carnegie Library. Beautiful old building. Look at these columns. And how they have this trimmed. And the front door. Huge, tall front door. Look at these lovely flowers at the library. And apples, a fruitful combination. The insulating waters of Lake Superior temper the climate of Bayfield, the Bayfield Peninsula, making this a perfect place for growing fruit. And here's the entrepreneur that created it, William Knight. This is his house. Wow. Victorian home, 1892. This is either a water dam or a flood control device. They had a bad flood here in 42. Look at those flowers growing on this cement. Flood of 42. Wow, 33 inches is the annual precipitation. In July 16, 1942, a downpour of 8.52 inches caused flash floods in the ravines passing through the city. Untold tons of water, sand, and rock smashed through the old water reservoir a quarter mile upstream. There's a library right there. And look, this is where I'm standing at right now. Wow. No one was killed, but 100 people were left homeless. Wow, look at downtown. Nice and cool. It's been a hot day, especially in the sunshine on the sidewalks. Down by the bay wasn't bad. Bridge, a shortcut to school. This is the ravine that it skirted. I should say traversed. Iron Bridge. Wow, look at this. It's a stream down the ravine. Now how do I get to the bridge? This is how I get to it. Wow, it's like a little bit of hidden nature right in the middle of town. Wow, it feels 20 degrees cooler in here than it does out on the street. So cool, so refreshing. I must be getting close to school. Look, it's one of those Victorian buildings with an addition added. They even got firewood. Look at the view the school has of the lake. There's not many schools like that in America. I'm surprised kids are not riding a bicycle around here. I'd be zooming all over town on a bicycle if I was a kid. A bridge with a view. It's looking down towards the ferry terminal. Look at these flowers. The town just extends up the hill. That's how hilly this area is. I'm staying at a ghost campground. And by that I mean It's actually officially closed because last summer in July they had a horrible storm with terrible winds that broke off a bunch of trees all through this area. People were trapped in here. They couldn't get out on the road. The road was blocked. The outhouse is still functional, and there's a lake adjacent to it. Too bad. Looked like a nice campground. It had this grove of birch trees. See, there's a few of them left. They've logged a bunch of the snags, I guess. Even though the campground is closed, you can still come down here, go boating. There were some people earlier in a fishing boat and 2 kayaks. And now there's a guy here on a canoe. These irises, I think, is what they are.